the inspiration for this particular workshop was personal because I realized there was a person in a team that was very reticent, that power team person, right? Like that likes to control, likes to have all the influence. I give you what I want to give you when I can or I want. And so I kept for quite literally 2 months. We need to collaborate on this. Do you have time? Can we prioritize this? All those courtesy things. And at the end, I was like, you know what? I am sure ChatGPT, if I say, can you be this person? I mean, if I prompt it
Mhm.
correctly, train it correctly, and use the right body of knowledge, can probably tell me in less than a minute what she's taken months to tell me. So I did, very innocently did it, and shared it with her, thinking, hey, if I give her a first draft, maybe she'll feel like it isn't as much effort. The reaction was so interesting because she suddenly realized, oh my God, like it knows what I know because AI is the world. It's all of our brains, all of our minds together. And so we've all contributed to it. I feel ownership for it in that sense because whatever I published, whatever blogs I had, whatever things, it's all part of this human mind, so to speak. She became far more cooperative. And I'd rather work with the human every time. But being able to show her your knowledge is not unique. It is the same knowledge that other peers of yours have. I just happen to have access to all of them now. Um, really changed the dynamic, changed the way we worked, all for the positive. I felt terrible because I didn't expect any reaction from her other than, oh, great. I got a draft. It's going to save me time. But when I said that draft, because I wanted to be honest, I wanted to be ethical, that draft is something I got from ChatGPT. And it was really interesting how it changed our dynamic as a team of two.